In today's wars, drones have become one of the deadliest tools on the battlefield. They're small, fast, and cheap, and they can scout, drop explosives, or even crash into targets. So how do you stop something that barely shows up on radar? In Russia, the answer is simple. Use a shotgun. Russia has started using 12-gauge shotguns to shoot down low-flying drones, especially the FPV types that zip around just meters above the ground. It might sound outdated, but it's surprisingly effective. And behind this effort is a name you probably haven't heard before: Anna Taranosova. She's not a general or a weapons expert. She's a national-level shooting champion, and now she's helping train soldiers on how to take down drones using reflex shooting techniques. Anna's background is in precision and speed shooting, skills that are now being transferred to the front lines. She's teaching soldiers how to react fast, aim quickly, and fire with control. Because when a drone appears, you have maybe 3 seconds before impact. She focuses on reflex shooting, drawing the weapon, tracking a moving target in the air, and firing under pressure. This isn't just about marksmanship. It's about muscle memory, reaction time, and battlefield awareness. Basically, she's turning infantry into drone hunters. Why shotguns? Because they spread out multiple pellets at once. You don't need a perfect shot, just fast aim and decent timing. Shotguns are also easy to carry, cheap to maintain, and require no advanced tech, making them ideal for frontline defense. In the chaos of war, a soldier doesn't always have time to lock onto a fast-moving drone with high-tech gear. That's where Anna's training becomes crucial. She's giving soldiers the chance to fight back, quickly and accurately, using tools they already have access to. So, who exactly is Anna? She's been active in the Russian shooting sports scene for years, winning competitions in rifle and shotgun categories. Known for her sharp eye and steady hand, she now applies that same discipline in military training zones, far from the range and much closer to danger. By bridging her civilian expertise with combat needs, Anna is a perfect example of how modern warfare is evolving. What we're seeing here is bigger than one person. It's part of a larger trend, where militaries are pulling in civilian specialists to solve modern combat problems. Whether it's drone pilots, hackers, or sharpshooters like Anna, the battlefield is now a mix of traditional soldiers and modern problem solvers. Anna Taranosova may not be on the front page of global headlines, but her impact is real. In a war where drones are everywhere, she's helping soldiers fight back, one shotgun blast at a time. Thanks for watching. If you found this interesting, give it a like, share it, and don't forget to subscribe for more stories from the front lines of modern warfare. This content is created solely for educational and informational purposes. It is intended to provide insights based on verified data, credible sources, and careful analysis. Our goal is to foster a deeper understanding of modern military technology and current events, not to promote or endorse any form of conflict, propaganda, or political agenda. We strictly oppose the spread of misinformation and hoaxes. Every piece of information presented has been carefully sourced from reliable, publicly available references. We encourage viewers to approach the topic with critical thinking and respect for all sides involved, maintaining a focus on knowledge sharing and open discussion.